What aspects of pronunciation and enunciation that you have learned in this course? I'll talk about it in 3 ways. First, general rulers for sentence stress. In coherent discourse, not all words are equally important. Some words must be more critical and others less important. In general, keywords are stressed, which is the stress of the sentence, while other words are not stressed. Or it can be said that content words are stressed, function words are not stressed. Second, logical stress in sentences. Sentence stress is always to show the speaker's thoughts and the emphasis of his meaning. Sometimes, in order to emphasize, almost any word in a sentence can have sentence stress, including some words that usually do not have sentence stress. This kind of thought that is stressed according to the speaker's intention is logical stress. We have done some stress training in our class. Number 3, intonation. Intonation is an important way to experience our thoughts and feelings. The basic types of English intonation are falling tone, rising tone, and flat tone. A falling tone shows that the speaker is positive. A rising tone means the speaker is not sure. Flatness is usually used after direct speech to express what is being said without any change in pitch. The number 2 question: have your pronunciation and enunciation changed for the better? Provide several examples of the improvements you have made. Yes, I have. And I have mastered some pronunciation skills, and I think spoken English needs constant practice. For example, yes, when used in a falling intonation indicates that the speaker is sure of the question being answered. If you use a rising tone, you have doubts about the problem. Intonation has a strong emotional color, which makes language more expressive. The third problem: based on your experience, what is the most difficult aspect of pronunciation and enunciation to master? Explain why. I think the syllable stress are the hardest. Although I know some patterns of stress, I still find it difficult to come across words, especially those with long spellings. It's very difficult to master. Number 4 question: will the knowledge of pronunciation and enunciation obtained in this course help you in your postgraduate study? Explain how. Yes, I think the best advantage of learning pronunciation well is that we can understand what the teacher says. And We can also work on academic problems with students from all over the world, and we can talk with each other, and we can understand what someone's meaning. So I think the knowledge of pronunciation and enunciation will help me in my postgraduate study. That's all.